friends! Today I will share my very delicious but easy to make cookie bar. So, handa nyo na ang notebook nyo and pens and let's start! You need 1 cup of crushed cashew nuts, 1 cup of crushed almond, 150 grams of dry fruits, and 300 grams of oatmeal, 80 grams of sugar, 150 to 200 grams of cake flour, 100 grams of melted butter, 2 eggs beaten, and of course 3 tablespoons of maple syrup. And don't forget 6 grams of baking powder. So we're going to start with the dry ingredients first. So we're just going to, this is very easy. We're just going to put everything like this and this, okay? This is too easy to make. And then we're going to put the sugar and the baking powder. Okay. Just simply mix everything. Okay, now we're going to put the melted butter. Ta-da! 2 eggs, and we're going to just simply mix everything. Okay, wow, masarap to. Okay, this is going to be a little bit soft, like a cookie bar. Okay, we're going to make oatmeal fruit nuts cookie bar today. Okay, after mixing, okay. Okay, then we're just going to put everything. Ready? Go. This one, okay, and this. Just by looking at it, I'm getting really hungry. Wow! See? Okay, and then we're going to put about 1, 2, 3 tablespoons of maple syrup, okay? And then we're just going to mix again. And that's it. We're going to bake this for about, depends on your oven, maybe 25 to 30 minutes at 190, okay? You don't want to burn it, so lower is better. You will see, you will know when it's sticky. Okay, can you see that? After baking, cut in a rectangular shape like a bar and then cool at room temperature. Pointers 2. You can store this in a cool temperature for a week, but please use white sugar as it'll last longer. Do not lessen the sugar if you want to store this for more than 3 days. I hope you like this cookie bar. Please give me a like, share this video, and please support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you and see you on the next one. Mata ne!